Today I'll talk about traveling salesman problem. It is a part of operations research. In operations research, we optimize the problem. That is, we either minimize or maximize the objective function subject to the constraints. Constraints may be one or more constraints. So, traveling salesman problem is associated with an objective function and there are various conditions. Objective function is to either minimize distance or time or cost of travel. And conditions is that a traveling salesman start from his home city, visit each city only once, then return to his home city. Constraint is that there is a single tour, that his journey must not be divided into smaller sub-tours. Usually the data is in the form of matrix and the number of rows and number of columns are equal to the number of cities including the home city. So elements of the matrix are either the distance to travel or time to travel or cost of travel, and we need to minimize these. Diagonal elements are impossible because they are from same city to same city. So they are represented either in the form of infinity or 0. Distance for A to B, let us say, is 8 km. So distance from home city A to city B is 8 km. So we write 8 here in the matrix. Similarly, distance from city B to home city is 8 km. We write 8 here. Distance from city B to city C is 3 km. City B to city C is 3 km. So this is how this input matrix is created. Mathematically, traveling salesman problem is a minimization problem where we minimize the cost or distance or time to travel. Xij is equal to 1 if salesman decide to go from city 1 to city j and 0 otherwise. And the last constraint is that the entire trip should be completed in a single tour. This I have taken from this site. The traveling salesman problem can be solved using Hungarian method. These are the steps of Hungarian method. We save the original matrix for cost calculations later, and then we modify the matrix for obtaining an optimal solution. First step is row reduction, then column reduction, then we make assignments by rows, followed by assignment by columns. If all the conditions of traveling salesman problem are covered, then the solution obtained is optimal solution. If not, then we go to step 7. In step 7, we modify the matrix further. So these are the steps of Hungarian method for manual calculations and obtaining an optimal solution to traveling salesman problem. Now let us see an example of a clinical laboratory. A laboratory home sample collection phlebotomist is required to collect samples from the following locations of New Delhi, India. One of the location is Mayur Vihar phase 1, the other location is Anand Vihar, the other is Dhaula Kuan and Sarojini Nagar. The laboratory is located at Hindu Rao Hospital, Delhi, which is the home place from where the phlebotomist will start, and after covering all the patients, he will return to the home place, that is Hindu Rao Hospital. So to start with, we make an input matrix using the Google Maps. So on Google Map, we calculate the distance from Hindu Rao Hospital to Anand Vihar, and it is 14.6 km, the best route as identified by Google Maps. So we write 14.6 kilometers from Anand Vihar to Hindu Rao, or from Hindu Rao to Anand Vihar. Similarly, we calculate distance from Hindurao to Dholakua and we fill the matrix. Then distance from Hindurao to Mayur Vihar, then distance from Hindurao to Sarojini Nagar, then distance from Mayur Vihar to Anand Vihar, then distance from Mayur Vihar to Sarojini Nagar, then distance from Mayur Vihar to Dholakua, then distance from Sarojini Nagar to Anand Vihar, then distance from Sarojini Nagar to Dholakua. So this is how we complete the input matrix. Now I will use the Google OR tools and Python codes to obtain the optimal solution to our phlebotomist problem, which is similar to traveling salesman problem. These are the Python codes. These are obtained from this Google site. So this is the input matrix, and we modify the data input code using this input matrix. So we have modified this distance matrix and made it similar to our distance matrix. Then using this code, we can calculate the optimal route so as to minimize the cost of travel, time of travel or distance of travel. So let us run it. So we obtained that traveling salesman or our phlebotomist should start from home place, that is Indore Hospital, to location 1, followed by location 3, followed by location 4, then to location 2, and then back to home place. So this is the solution, that he should start from Indore Hospital, first go to Anand Vihar, then to Mayur Vihar, then to Sarojini Nagar, then to Dholakua, and then back to Hindurao after collecting sample from all these places. And the shortest distance covered in this optimal solution is 80 kilometers. So this is how we can easily solve the traveling salesman problem. Thank you very much.